Hi everybody, I am back again with a new TN. This one is mine. I will not be making anything like this for the shop because I only had the one material that was actually gifted to me. Before I show you that, I do want to share some shop news and other news. So first off, the end of April, I will be putting my shop on vacation mode because I'm actually going on a real vacation now. So we are going back to St. Augustine. If everything goes well and both hubby and my vacation requests get approved, then we're all set to go to St. Augustine for a few days. About 5 days, but the whole vacation is going to be like 9 days long. So I'll be putting the shop on vacation mode, so you know there won't be any transactions. And then the other thing that I wanted to mention about the shop is that I did remove the Creative Planner options in the shop and my Facebook group. I tried it out for just over a month, and well, it just didn't work out, so I just decided to get rid of it, which is fine. My sales are doing great anyways, just by selling planners that I make, you know, the ones that I want to make and stuff like that. So I'm not trying to get too crazy busy with my shop because I do have a full-time job. So, you know, I have to keep it not too busy, which, you know, it kind of sucks because I would rather just retire and just run the shop and make stuff, and even maybe then take special requests and commissions or whatever they're called. So I took it out. That will not be an option anymore, so that means I'll be back. I'm reverting back to not doing what's it called, customized planners. So going back to that, and that's pretty much all that I have to say right now, I think. So this guy here and this I made. There's one more thing that I made that's inside of this, and I'll show you. But here's the material that I use. It's one of those glitter canvas. It actually was gifted to me, and I really wanted to do a spring planner with the fabric that I had left over, but I decided to use this because this just reminded me of a colored Easter egg for some reason, like an ombre, you know. So I went and cut into it, which, you know, it really hurt doing. I was like hoarding it. But like I said, it was gifted to me, so I don't know where it came from. I did forget who gave it to me. I do apologize, but thank you. I'm sure if you're watching, you know who you are. This is literally what is left. I made a a standard size. Nope, take that back. A personal size with the rings, and then I made a little pouch. And anyway, this is how it looks. And I did put some of the Hobby Lobby material over here, just to give it some structure, because, and I'll mention what I did in a minute. See how that buckles right there? It's because of what I'm using on the inside, which I shouldn't have, but anyway, I did, and I'm not about to toss that. It's the only piece that I had. Let me show you this real quick. I made a little pen pouch. It holds like 6 pens. This was actually a pencil. This is a flare pen. And these two are mild liners, which are my 2 favorite colors right now. And then these pens, they actually come from Dollar Tree. These are gel pens. They're very juicy, but they work great. So I thought I would make a little pouch using the jelly sheets that I've gotten from Amazon. Amazon sells all this stuff, but they only have limited styles. For more variety of the types of materials that you can find, I would suggest going to AliExpress. I haven't ordered from them. That's because they take too long for me. I only order a few things like the rings, but I just don't have the patience to wait so long, and then to find out later on that it wasn't exactly what I thought it was, because sometimes, like the rings that I got in here, I got from Ali, and the way they put in the description, it wasn't the right size that I thought it was. I thought it was going to be a shorter one, but not as short as the pocket that I have. So, but I still, you see, I made use of them. But anyway, back to this. All I did was stitch 2 together. That's it, back to back, and one shorter than the other. I measured it according to my pens. I did want it to peak a little bit. I did kind of go by a size that, you know, those pocket protectors. I had looked online and they were about 3, I think they're about 3.5 inches in width, and then I just did this part according to my pens. So, and it works fine. So I have a cute little pouch, and I'm hoping to maybe take either this or my little pocket planner and these things with me, because we are going to be there 5 days, and it's a relaxation vacation, so we don't want to do too much activities. We want to like hang out on the beach or hang out in front of the, we're staying at a bed and breakfast, a really nice one, so maybe just hang out there, you know, and do a few little touristy things, but it's more for relaxing. Hubby and I both have been going through a lot lately and lots of stress, so we really just want to relax, and it's just me and him, nobody else, no family, no friends, just me and him chilling. Alright, so let's get to this. And so like I said, it's a pocket rings, and the problem is that I adhered this to felt because I wanted that cushy feeling like I was doing with the fabric one, but then I adhered it also, the felt, to this glitter, which it looks gorgeous, but this glitter material that is from Hobby Lobby, it's a canvas, and although it's flexible here, once you stick everything together, it's less flexible and it wants to buckle. You see that? That's what I was getting a lot of before I stitched it all and added this. So it's not as bad now, but it was, you know, a lot worse. So I probably won't do that again because this is so much stiffer and it's that glitter stuff. It doesn't really want to work well as far as, you know, a cover. But like right here, there is a bit of a wrinkle, you could see. But it's all adhered well and it's stitched. So it's going to work out. I'm going to use it because I love it. And like I said, it was the only material that I had. So I will be using it. And I added the gold pocket. No, I keep saying pocket. The gold personal size. This is the pocket size in case you wanted to see that. But you see how this is nice and smooth when it curves right here? I preferred that, but this not so smooth. But that's okay. This one's mine. Alright, so the only other new thing that I did is this, which I need to put stuff in. What I think I'm going to do, because this guy keeps popping out, since I have this so stuffed, it just wants to keep popping out. What I'm going to do is whatever I have in here is probably going to go into this pocket. So I made a pocket out of the jelly sheet, and it's just a piece to the size of your inserts and then a little cutout pocket stitched in. So that's what I did there. So I'm just going to put my things in there, and then it is single-sided, the stars. It's not on this side, it's only on one side. And I'm still trying to get the settings of my sewing machine so that it's like on certain materials like this, it's like really loose on the back, and then on other materials it's not. So I guess, you know, between materials I got to change the settings, but I still have no clue what all those knobs mean, like which one is the tightener, which one spreads out my stitches, you know, it's like what the heck. But, and then again, I haven't really taken that much time to look into it because I've been so busy. So that's pretty much it. And this one here is more like note-taking kind of thing, you know. And my little one, look at how thick it is. It's almost the size of the B6 that I had. And we could slide that in there. See, I could just take this if I wanted to. I think I'm also going to take like my little sketch book that I got from Dollar Tree and maybe do some more doodles because I haven't done that in a little while. Alright, so just real quick, this is my like daily where I put appointments and things and my grocery list and other shopping list, my actual planning planner. And I just want to show you quickly that I've been simplifying for now because I've been so busy. I haven't been able to really get into like using all my stickers and stuff. So I've been keeping it simple. And and just, you know, I'm using my mild liners to like I draw out in black ink the months, and then I just fill it in. And I've been writing in pencil until I know everything is confirmed, and then I'll do it in pen. And then these are my digital kits. They come in different sizes, and they're like mega kits. What the heck is that gooey stuff? And then for the weekly, I really simplified. I'm still using a few stickers, but not getting carried away. And the stickers that I used here are from Micheal's. In a little spiral booklet, and it was $3. I had taken out 2 sheets out of here for a couple of TNs that I sold. So that's how that looks. And you can see here how I did, because tomorrow is Monday, April 1st. So I did that, and I'm using these pens here lately. So, you know, some stuff that I gotta do. And that's about it. So this hasn't really changed at all. And like I said, this is the one that I use on a daily basis, and sometimes I take with me when I have shopping to do. This is where I'm putting my lists, and like what stores I have to go to. I list them all down and, you know, check them off as I go and whatever I buy. So, and it coordinates because it's the same material here. And now, because I'm using this sturdier material, I can stand it up in my, where I keep all my planners, instead of, let me show you real quick. The one that I had before was this one here, which I had to keep sitting this way because since this is a thinner vinyl, it, you know, if you try to stand it, it kind of just curls down this part here. And this was starting to peel off, which I'll just, you do have to clean off the glue. You can reuse these, but after a while it just, you know, wants to peel off. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I will be changing these out. I'm going to play around some more because I'm doing laundry, so while I'm sitting here waiting on my laundry, I might just work on these tabs, and then I'll come back with that another time, maybe tonight if I'm done. We'll see. So thank you all for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye now.